Hello, traders. Good morning, and I welcome to my Smart IndexEdge. I'm Nalinakshiswamy. Today, I'm going to share something that may completely change the way you look at intraday trading. A simple observation can change your complete the way you trade in intraday trading. In a world full of complicated indicators and noisy signals, what if I told you that just one simple observation could give you an edge? Yes, not 100 indicators, not layers of analysis, just one keen observation. When you start noticing how the market opens, how the high and how the low and open line up, how the option chart mirrors the index behavior, that is where the real magic begins. It is not prediction, it is pattern recognition. It is about reading the subtle signs that the market quietly gives us before making its move. And with this small but powerful edge, you can find the direction early, enter with confidence, and ride the move calmly, even in a choppy market. So stay with me as I walk you through the exact method I used backed by visuals, tools, and real trades. Let us simplify intraday trading and make it work for you. So you just start seeing there. It is a strategy based on observation using hourly open, high, low indicator. I've given it to so many people this indicator to download and apply on the trading view. And next thing what I'm using is circle degree tool, which I've already made in my previous video for tweak to GAN angles, that you know it. Confirmation using option chain movement. So these are the things what I use for my intraday trading and how it becomes successful. What you need to do is hourly indicator you need to plot on the chart. Then you will see open, high, low levels visually and blue dots rising 5 minutes highs. And you are going to see circle degree, apply circle degree tool to get the entry at the discount level. See, here is the chart. Here I have completely hidden the price and candlesticks. Just I am showing you this indicator, hourly indicator plotting. Open here, this is 24,600 call option, yesterday's price behavior on Friday. So here you can see open and low has been plotted at the down and high has been plotted at the top. And this is 5 minutes high. You are seeing it is increasing. That means in 5 minutes, the trend is intact. Okay. So the direction is from the opening level and low level, and high is at the top. So you are not going to enter over here because it opened around 163 and made an high of around 230. It is too expensive. You need to wait for the discount. Here in the second hour, it is plotting low. You can see the black dots are black things are low. Orange color is open and blue color is the high. So I'm explaining it to you. I'm taking it to the next chart. This is an intraday chart of underlying index 24,000. And you can see Nifty 50 index. It opened around 24,647 and made an high of exactly I'm not able to see in the image capture, but it is plotting blue dots, it is plotting. These are the 5-minute chart. You can see that first 5-minute candle is huge and the next 5 minute is increasing. People do mistake entering at the top. They should not do that. So trend is confirmed and you should wait for the discount. See, low is not at all plotted over here. Can you see over here? The black dot is not plotted even because the low is here. Low is here. That is one observation. So you are getting the discount. How I get the discount? I put an tool and I'll see for whether I'm getting the discount. If open and low plotted at the same bottom level and high at the top, this is an observational edge, indicates strength and upward direction. Then next step what you need to do is match this with ATM, at the money call option and put option. Just you need to know whether you to be in the call option or the put option. That is a very big question for all the traders. So when CE mimics the underlying, that's what happened yesterday on Friday, that is bullish confirmation. So it was mimicking the underlying price action with the hourly dots, hourly open, high, and low dots. Visually, it is confirming. You need not struggle. You need not struggle with the candlesticks or anything. Trade confirmation process. So, in this, Nifty opened at 24,647 with low near the open. That is strength. And C also mirrored the strength. So, then watch for the blue dots rising till 3 to 4 candles. It may be 3 candles, it may be 5 candles, but it is rising. Once blue dots stop rising, that is indicating consolidation or retracement. That is an indication. When the price has been stagnated after rising. So then wait for the retracement. Here, this is a graphical representation of open low. It has not been plotted here. Open, it was here. This is the image generated by the image generation, uh, uh, I mean, tool. So this is a graphical representation of the thing you are seeing here. Open is here, low is here, high is here. And the direction you can see it is increasing. Entry using degree tool. So use tool from bottom to top of the move. Wait for price to come below 0 degree line, that is the discount entry. Entry taken when CE follows the same pattern. Here I have applied the degree tool. You know, all of you know that. Once again, I'll tell you how I've taken the fifth tool and I've taken the level to tweaked it to 0, 0.26, 0.66 and zero point 0.9. And on the lower side, minus 0.26, minus 0.66 and minus 0.9. So I am applying this tool already tweaked from top to bottom. When the blue dot stops increasing, you can see the here in this picture after 3 candles, the blue dot stopped. It is increasing. It has become flat, indicating it is the top. But you know that the open line is here at the bottom and it has made an high, so you are waiting for the retracement. See here, the indicator underlying did not come to 0 degree here. that confirmed the entry signal. It is a discount because no low has been plotted here. If it would have, because it cannot plot, it is the low. Open is equal to low, it cannot plot. That is simple observation. Okay, so entry, then what is the example trade is entry Nifty call option gave an entry at 190, exit at 250, profit 60 points despite choppy market. So why this works? Simple visual confirmation from the chart. Options follow the same pattern as the underlying. Entry at discount, better risk to reward. That is the funda of this strategy. So here for observation, in the observation I have taken the put option in my screenshot. I've taken this to show you people. You can see here high has been plotted at the top, same 24,600 put option, at the money call option and the at the money put option. Even if you for observation or after seeing the video, go to the chart and start observing. You can go to the chart and see clearly the open was plotted, and here you can see after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, there 3 candles, the low has been plotted at the bottom. Not high has been plotted. Here, high is at the top. Note the difference. High is far away. Price is not increasing beyond open. This is yellow, orange dots are open. Price is getting stagnated. That means price has been not able to cross the opening auction price. That is weak. And if you notice, the black dots, low dots are decreasing in the hourly compartment. This is first hourly compartment. So it is a confirmation that you need to sit in the call option. Direction is towards the call option. The underlying is increasing. Then you need to take the trade in the call option, not the put option. So this is the important observation, it pays. Simple observation will fetch you an edge in your intraday trading. Nothing, no indicators, just hourly marks, hourly high, open, low. Observation will fetch you the trade. Isn't it wonderful? It is wonderful. Actually, start observing. You will get an edge. People don't observe the market at all. If they start observing minor things, even the divergences, everything, even the divergence in RSI, everything, if you start observing, it will pay you. Just simply you applying the indicators trading will not help. You should have the habit of observation. Keen observation will tell you everything sentiment in the market. So, final words to say is, even with the whipsaw, there was lot of choppy movement. Price was not stable. The structure and patience paid. A systematic approach wins over randomness. That is the systematic approach. By observation, the hourly high, open, low, and the direction you can make out. Practice observing and marking your setups. So finally, I thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe, support for more videos. With love from Nalinakshiswamy, Smart IndexEdge. Thank you very much.